Welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can use JSON repo in Redbird. So from redbird.repos we would like to import the JSON directory repository, and let's create a directory, JSONs. And what we would like to do is to create our repository from the JSON directory repo, and we say that the path to the repository is the JSON, so it's in the local directory, and we specify the ID field, which is going to be called ID. From Pydantic we would like to import the base model, and we create our class. Let's call this inventory. It inherits from the base model, and we will have an ID, which is a string, and we would have a name, which is a string, and a manufacturer, which is also going to be a string, and a quantity, which is going to be an integer. So now we should be able to use the repo.add to add basically an ID, which is going to be, let's make this integer, ID1. The name is going to be Meepo, and the manufacturer is going to be Asian, and the quantity is going to be 10. And let's create two more, so we will have the ID with 2 and 3, and backfire is going to be, and XWay, backfire is EU, and XWay is American. And we will have 20 and 30 of these, and we can list the content of repo and iterate over it. So let's see how this works. Let me grab my console. So basically here what we would like to do is to run with Python the JSON repo, and as you can see we have our repository functioning, and inside the JSONs you will see that we have 3 files, and the name of the files will come from the ID, and this is how the data is stored. What we can also do is also repo filter by name equals Meepo, and update quantity to 33, and we can use the filter by name equals XWay to delete. And after that we should be able to list out the elements in the repository. So yeah, line 12. We already have one. Let's make this with the ID 4. And this one is going to 5 and 6. And 7, 8, and 9. So there we go. So this is how we can use the JSON. So basically the ID field is going to tell us how these files are named, and after that we just simply use it like the CSV repo or the in-memory repository, so we can update, we can delete or remove items from the repo, we can list it, And technically that's it. So that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.